Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to delete messages and conversations on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Select one of your chats. To delete a message on Facebook Messenger, all you have to do is long press the message that you want to delete. Select More. Tap on Remove. Now you can see two options, Unsend and Remove for you. If you want to remove the message for both you and your friend, tap on Unsend. This is how you delete a message on Facebook Messenger, but if you want to delete the whole conversation, go ahead and tap on the arrow at the top left of your screen. Long press the conversation that you want to delete. Select Delete. Tap on Delete if you want to permanently delete the conversation. And that's it. This is how you delete messages and conversation on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.